Okay, here's the problem we have in this truck. It's a 2003 Chevy Sierra 1500 5.3. So when you try to turn to the right, the turn signal lights turn on. That's very weird. So if you turn to the left, you're fine. But if you turn to the right, sometimes it works like what it did right now, and sometimes it doesn't want to work, and sometimes it does that like right now it's doing. So I did some close inspection already. So what I figured out, all the fuses are here on this side, but I have to remove this little bracket it's holding by one single bolt right there, which just goes here. It's a number 10 millimeters, and all the way on the back right there, see that black thing right there? Okay, that's a flasher. That's the one controls all the turn signal lights and emergency lights. All we're just gonna try to do, we're just gonna replace it because that's the problem. I'm already check that out. I'm gonna apply some pressure and it will come off. So here's the part. What I'm gonna do is just gonna open it for you. And we're gonna check what it's doing. What exactly does it's that part right there. So what you can see there now, right now it's got stack right there, and look at that's what it does. So it gets stacked, and you have to push it to make it work. The other one's fine. This one has no problems. That one's fine. But this one's getting stuck. Right now it's working fine. Now it gets stuck. There you see. Now it's working fine. Now it got stuck and came off. And this one's good. So the whole problem is the flasher. So you have to be very careful because sometimes, where some and other mechanics, they replace this part, and that's not the problem right now. So that could be the problem, but right now we have a single relay. It's a little bit expensive. I call Pet Boys. They have it for 80 some. I call O'Reilly's, they have it for 75, and I call AutoZone, who is the best choice right now because they have it for $47. So here's this video for a 2003 Chevy Sierra 1500. Well, it's a GMC Sierra, my bad, but it's something. It's pretty much the same thing. It used the same relay. It's Chevy Silverado. It's the same exactly relay, but it's a 2003 GMC Sierra. and the engine size 5.3, and it will be the same relay on the 2003 Silverado. So thank you for watching.